up and ready to go this morning. We're in the car, see?
Yeah.
And I just did the same thing to my hair again. It's 2 braids, but this time I ended it in pigtails instead of braids all the way down. But we are on our way to the helicopter place this morning.
Mm-hmm.
And the skies are clear and bright and beautiful, and there is no wind this morning, so things are looking pretty good.
Yeah, the conditions are perfect.
Yes. And
We're just left a little later than we wanted to.
yeah, so we're really trying to hurry to get there. But
I think
I'm
we'll get there.
really excited.
I think we'll get there just in time.
I don't like just in time, I like early.
I know.
But just in time is at least not late.
True.
So, but that is, yeah, where our current status of the morning. And soon we will be on a helicopter. I brought my large camera bag, like for my big heavy duty camera, because I'm gonna try and bring that on the helicopter as opposed to my little phone camera. However, I don't know what's allowed and what's not, so we'll see. I might just take my camera out of its bag so I'm not bringing the whole bulky bag and then being like, hey, can I bring this?
Yeah.
So, we'll see. If not, we'll just lock it up in our trunk, I guess, and I'll just have to use my phone. But either way, I'm gonna get footage of cool things, so. Yeah. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's what's going on this morning. We are here. We're a little late, but we're here. We are just sticking stuff in the trunk and running inside. So I've got my camera. I'm gonna see if I can bring that, and yeah.
I guess put your headsets on.
was seriously so cool. And I got some cool photos and footage, and Kyle helped me get some footage as well. And it was just so much fun. Bucket list item check. That was so fun. I recommend helicopters to anybody watching.
Yeah, it was so cool, especially because we got to fly pretty low. So we got to just see everything.
Yeah.
It's not like in an airplane when you take off and then everything basically just becomes like a little speck on the map.
Yeah, like just a solid mass of colors. It was high enough for everything to look really tiny, but still to see definition in things.
Yeah, and kind of explore a little bit. So.
But now we are gonna go back, say our goodbyes, pick up our dog, and head out.
We'll eat breakfast and hang out for a minute. We don't have a lot of time.
I know, but so basically say our goodbyes and pick up our dog and head out.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that was so much fun. It was awesome. Right?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was really cool. I'm so glad we got to do that.
Me too. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. That was so cool.
I'd do it again in a heartbeat too.
That was fun. Totally, totally worth it. Alright, so we are headed out.
On the road again.
And we just stopped for some gas. And on our way out, we are gonna stop at this little bridge that's new and kind of just walk across it and see what it's all about and take in the scenery from the other side.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah, just as a kind of stop on the way out of town. Yeah, but then we'll be heading back home, and tonight I have my lash appointment. I am going to get some eyelash extensions and try them out. Because I want to try them out, right, Boo?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but we're at the little bridge now. We're just pulling in. So we'll park and walk across that, and yeah, that's about it as far as the bridge goes.
Hey, this way around there. Wing, wing. Scratching it out in the middle. Well.
So we're walking along the bridge, as you can see.
It's quite a big bridge.
Yeah, but it's pretty.
Yeah.
It's got the Colorado River on either side of us. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Yeah.
I like that you can see the overpass.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
Right there. Ta-da.
Like not even halfway yet. What? Look at how fast it moves.
I know.
It doesn't look that fast since they look all the green. Just cruising.
Wave, Boo. Hello. Well, we finally made it home.
Yeah.
We're just gonna, we're just gonna pull in and I was almost flashing people. We're just gonna pull in and park and take up our stuff. And in a little bit, I got a gift card to Bath and Body Works, which is just actually perfect because I'm out of lotion and I really need lotion. So we're gonna go get me some lotion too. And then a little later on today, I have my lash appointment. But other than that, it's gonna be pretty chill for the rest of the day. Huh.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, there's a lot of driving, but really good.
Ready to be done driving.
Really good day.
But yes, very good.
Alright, so we just got back from the mall. Oh, hi.
Hey.
And I'm just going to do like a little mini haul thing, if you will, and show you what I got. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, thanks. So this first thing I got was the Hello Beautiful body cream. And I had this in a lotion before, and I really loved it. It was like my new favorite scent. Their Paris scent was my favorite of like all time. This became my new favorite scent ever since it came out with it. And so I wanted to try it in the body cream this time. Then I also got this At the Beach sand and sea salt scrub that I really wanted to try out, that I'm hoping will be pretty good because my sugar scrub's gonna run out soon anyway, and so this I thought would be worth a nice try. I also got the At the Beach lotion to go with that because the bottle's really pretty, but also it smells really, really good. So, and I tried to get a whole bunch of things that I haven't ever tried before, and then the other two are just plain lotions. This one is the Love and Sunshine body lotion. And the last thing that I got was Magic in the Air body lotion. Yeah. And those are all the things that I got, and I just thought I'd show you guys. But it's almost time for my lash appointment, so we're just kind of vegging for a few minutes. And then we're gonna go to my appointment, and that'll be it for the day. Yeah. All right, well, we chilled for a little bit, and now we are off to my lash appointment. Whoop, whoop.
Short hair don't care.
Hey, short hair don't care. So they're done. I think they look really good. I really like them. Do you like them? Ah,
Yes, I like them.
I was asking for the vlog.
I know. She's asked me like 5 times already.
But I really like them. I think they turned out looking really good. I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased with them. Yeah. So now we need to chill for the rest of the night. We don't have any plans. We need to eat dinner and that's about it. So.
There's someone that's gonna come look at our car.
Oh.
And hopefully freaking buy it finally.
Finally, yeah.
Because we've been trying to get rid of that thing for months.
Forever. Yeah, but hopefully someone will then buy it, I guess. Yeah, but
Fingers crossed.
fingers crossed. Fingers and toes crossed. That someone will finally buy it. But, yeah, we're done. So, all that's left on the agenda for tonight is eating dinner.
Pretty much, yeah.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then going to bed because we have to get up early because we have another activity tomorrow.
Yes. Now, tomorrow is the day that we will be getting up at like 4:30 in the morning. So,
Yep.
I'm excited for that. Alright, so it's late and I'm tired and we have to get up at 4:30, so I'm basically just popping on to say goodnight.
Yeah, we're gonna go to bed.
Yep.
So, but we sold our car.
Yeah, finally sold our car.
Between
Our old
last
car.
Our old car. Between last vlog and this vlog, we sold it.
Yep. But that's basically the only exciting thing that happened. Other than that. Good night. You want to say good night?
Good night.
Good night.
Throwing deuces.